Hi, I'm Natalia Bayona, the Executive Director of UN Tourism.
Thank you for joining Breaking Travel News here in Riyadh at the 26th General Assembly. First of all, a few reflections and perspectives.
First of all, it's an honor to be here in Riyadh because, of course, it's a very vibrant city full of innovation, education, and investments that are my passion inside UN Tourism and, of course, as part of my journey. Then, what is happening all around here? First of all, this is the biggest moment to join together the world when it comes to tourism. So we have been able to work here. We have 150 delegations, and basically there is an ending period of the current Secretary General. He has been bringing a very positive agenda. We have ratified, or the members have ratified, the new Secretary General-elect, Shaiha Al-Nawais, that is the first woman to lead UN Tourism. Of course, when it comes to thematic offices, it has been approved a new office in China for the region. Then it has been approved Americas Africa South Cooperation to empower innovation, education, investments again. Then we are working as well on the future of tourism, and the thematic session that we just ended was focused on AI and how innovation can shape the future of this sector that is the most human economic sector.
And I really feel like we are ending an incredible 50 years anniversary, but we're also opening up a new chapter. Tell me more about what that new chapter looks like.
Exciting as always, because youth is in the center of tourism. It's the most important sector when it comes to youth employment. I have to say that having now Shaiha Al-Nawais as our new Secretary General is not only important, it's really historic because it brings a milestone and a strong message. At the end of the day, women as well has a strong place in tourism. Tourism is the top employer of women as well. And her vision, of course, is really innovative, is really supported by innovation, digitalization, sustainability in the forefront of what we do. So it will have a strong background, a strong support from the members, and we from UN Tourism, the team, will work with her to make her bright and, of course, to empower more with more forces this organization.
And talking of women, talking about youth, talking about the next generation, you yourself are a big advocate for that personally, including the wonderful outfit you're wearing today.
That's true. I have two passions in life. My professional passion, that of course is to give back, and tourism, because I truly believe on the way tourism can bring social cohesion. The personal passion in life is fashion. So every single moment of my life, when I travel, when I am in a public speaking scenario, I'm always wearing and empowering and helping young leaders, young designers, local designers, to not only to wear them, to invest in them, as well to give the message to the world. This one is from Destre, from Paris, from a very young, talented designers, Leticia and Geraldine, which I met in Madrid, and from the first moment I got in love. So that's why, with the Saudi colors, of course, of the Saudi flag. So at the end, everything communicates.
Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you so much to you.